Inniu bhí muid an seo I gcéal fa gcéal fahanne lá Oscailte Eolais de Croí na Carraige sin tógra capital soganne an seo ag glór na múna. Thug an lá seo deis den phobal teacht le chéile le clistal fudéireann na forbairtí is déanaí agus leis an obair atá Gaeilge an sa chuide a chur láthair den phobal a gcoitinne.
Because when we developed the Gaeilge in 2016, Glór na Múna had a Irish Language Development Officer and 3 youth staff, and in 2023 Glór na Múna has 11 full-time staff and 15 part-time staff. So the project is growing and we genuinely don't have the space for what we're doing.
Is me siad an Carraige las fhoireann na chóras na Gaeilge agus tá muid aonta sásta go muid abalta I bheith taú leis an tionscló seo just leis an na staid ar féidireachta a dhéanamh ar waithe leis na deisnaí amach seo ibar amach agus tá muid aonta sásta go bhfuil Glór na Múna agus an áitianta go tápún seo ag forbairt agus ag fás mar tuairtí sé deisna iontacha le rií óga in san ceantar agus tá siad le pléas go maithas an organú fuil láthair agus tá muid aonta sásta go méid sé ag fás agus ag forbairt na bliantí amach roin.
Is me sé ciríní arhain agus is státa mé ar Carraige firsta agus is ibre ionach mé an seo ag Glór na Múna. I've attended a youth club from primary 4. When I was a young person, the youth club was based in the basement of a chippy, which was one room and a small kitchen. In 2016, we were delighted to be told that we're getting a new bigger building. That was when we moved to the Gaeilge. When we came here, we thought it was amazing, but after seeing the youth clubs my friends were attending, I soon realised once again we were pushed into another small building with limited facilities. As a young person, and now as a youth leader, it is evident to me that this is historically the way that it's always been. Small spaces, limited resources, and many times shared spaces. And as a community, we make do and put our own stamp on it. As a leader now, I can see the pressure that the space has on the service, and with growing numbers of young people attending every year, this space is just not enough. After all these years, we deserve more now. It's not a want or an ask, it's a need. We need as much support as we can get to raise the funds to further the development of the Gaeilge and build a purpose-built building that will meet the demands of our young people in the area. The bigger building will help give more opportunities to younger people in the generation coming through with their personal and social development.
Is me sé tuige Nick Donald. Is státa mé ar Carraige firsta agus bia ag freastal ar an Cumann. I've been coming to this youth club from primary 4. I go to the club 4 nights a week and we need a bigger building because it's too busy when we all come here. The bigger building will make this youth club so much better for us and give us more things that will help us with our growth.
Hi, I'm Chris Chambers and I work for an organisation called S3 Solutions. So we hope that with the economic appraisal itself, it should be ready to go anytime, hopefully in the next couple of years. We'll see something moving at that point, and hopefully it'll be a site that can be ripe with youth activity and good representation for the community.
We're delighted at Redhead Exhibition to be working with the team here at Glór na Múna. What we're hoping to do is to bring that rich story of the history and heritage of the Upper Springfield to the new facility here once it opens. For all of the visitors that will come here, whether it's the young people coming for language classes or dance classes or to play snooker or pool, or whether it's visitors that are coming to the new Heritage Cafe just to meet someone for breakfast or to sit and read the newspaper, we want to expose all visitors to the centre here, the rich history and heritage of the Upper Springfield.
Hello, my name is Michael Collins and I'm project sponsor for the Glór na Múna project. I work for Belfast City Council and my role is to take a project through to the next stage and really get it on the ground and get the construction project started. My kind of next steps is to work with the consultant on the economic appraisal, break the project down into phases which are deliverable with a multitude of funders, and that's the role that I'll be playing over the next few months.